Good morning, class. I hope you're all doing well, or some of you might be watching this in the afternoon. I'm going to go through today's lesson briefly, and what it's going to be is it's going to be a kind of a benchmark quiz or assessment. Don't get worried. This will not be graded. It'll be like a pre-benchmark. We just want to see what you remember from 3 weeks ago. Ms. Hoffman and I have thought that it would be good to see what you know before we spend a lot of time reviewing things if you already remember it. If you're struggling to remember it, we'll spend more time on these videos, or tomorrow in the afternoon in our advanced grad math chat room, or Google Meets, I should call it. I have my cat Max here I want to introduce you to. You might see him walking around in the background. Say hi, Max. Bye, Max. So you've already, in order to see this video, you've already gone to the distance learning page. You've gone into day 2. You've seen our what to do, watch Mr. Benson's video, which is what you're already doing. So you've clicked on here. But then there's also going to be a what do you remember? And this is the pre-benchmark I just talked about. So that's what it looks like, and you'll hit submit. Ms. Hoffman and I will look at those results, and tomorrow's lesson will be based off of what people remember from those results. We're trying to keep everything short, less than 60% of the work we've been doing in class, so that you can balance all your classes and get used to this new format. Please remember to email us if you have any questions. We look forward to seeing those of you who can make it into our class group chats tomorrow, or Google Meets tomorrow. Sorry, I keep calling it chats. Again, don't worry about what your score is on the what do you remember. This is just for us, as I said before, like a pre-benchmark to see what you do remember. Have a good day.